the floor because we're playing with some technology that's really meant for kids. It's a very cool application called the Smart Table. Ray Raffin is here from Smart Technologies. Thanks for being here, Ray.
Thank you for having me.
Tell me what this guy is. This is very cool.
So Smart Technologies has created the first multi-touch, multi-user table for early childhood education. So they're the leader in interactive whiteboards, but they've now created a table which kids can sit around and collaborate.
And we're going to play with this a little bit here. We're going to go into the Smart Paint application. All we do is we just touch it, correct?
We touch it. So we have tangrams here.
All right.
So I'll let you go ahead and use it.
Now, something like this, you can have a whole bunch of kids around the table, and they can all be playing with this at the same time.
That's correct. You can have 6 students sitting around learning about tangrams, collaborating and working with each other. So it actually allows up to 40 touches at one time.
So that's what the real innovation here is, being able to track all these little fingers on the table at one time.
That's correct, and it's not so much, the sage on the stage teacher. It's actually students sitting around and working together.
What's the advantage of that?
The advantage is, if you think about 21st century skills and our students competing in a global economy, they need to learn to work together.
And they need to learn to name parts of the bird.
We can do that.
So let's take our head here and move the head over to the head.
That's correct.
This is all very cool. Now, this is a table that's in development right now, but the first people are going to get their hands on it, where are they going to be?
So it is in beta, and this is actually, you're touching the very first smart table, and when it leaves here, it's going straight to Chicago Public School.
And the hope is to deploy a number of these to get kids interactive and learning in their education.
That's correct. There's going to be 8 that are going to be deployed throughout the United States in January.
And since Chicago's public schools chief is now the Secretary of Education to be, this could be a trend in the nation.
We certainly would like to see this, and as a former Chicago Public School teacher, I'd really like to see that.
And tell us a little bit about Smart Technologies. You're based in Canada, but you're also developing all kinds of whiteboard technologies.
So Smart Technologies is the industry leader in interactive whiteboards. So the Smartboard Interactive Whiteboard is in well over 100 countries, reaching students throughout the world, and they're also a leader in other group collaboration tools.
Excellent. If people want to learn more about the Smart Table or anything you guys do, where should they go?
I would recommend going to smarttech.com, so www.smarttech.com.
This is a lot of fun.
It is a lot of fun.
We'll keep playing with this. If you want to learn more about this or anything we talk about here on the Weekend Web, there's one place to go, NBCChicago.com. Search for Weekend Web. Mark Roman is off today, and our lovely guest, I'm Charlie Wojciechowski. We'll see you right here.